So, now that those are trash, sadly, really sad, super sad. I actually like those headphones. I feel really bad about that.
They ask you how you are, and you just have to say that you're fine when you're not really fine.
So, here's a quick, unscripted video. I recently, because those guys bought this guy. This is a Sennheiser Momentum True Wireless 3 earbuds. So I bought these because I need something that's nothing. So this is just me, just being like, hey, hello, unedited, unscripted, I meant, video. So let's just go ahead and open these babies up real fast. Yes. And one more. Perfect. And let's see what's in this thing real fast. Don't worry about that. Oh my gosh, come on. Apparently didn't get the sticker good enough. First things first. Bam. Ooh, that's nice. I really like the cloth feel. I ordered a darker color. I really wanted gray, but these were on sale, so that's what I went for, was the on sale one. I like that. I like the way it feels though. Let's see here. Guide. USB A to C, so I can charge it. Earbud tips and the fins. Those I'm going to test out. And the rest of it is your usual books and shit. Don't need those. So, basically, this is just a simple, hey, I got these. It's going to be a real review coming. I'm going to use them for a couple of weeks at a job that actually is really loud. Jackhammers and backhoes and heavy diesel machinery. General day-to-day use, I'm fixing to hook these babies up and take them to do some of my work laundry. I will not do it in my nice washer. They're terribly dirty. Just mud and crap on them. Anyway, beside the point. So I'm going to come back to you in about 2 weeks or so from Friday. So this is going to go up today. It's actually going to go up today, because today that you're watching this video will be Friday, but for me it's Thursday. So anyways, 2 weeks from today, I will have a review of me using them in the real world for 2 weeks. See you guys in the next one. Peace.